Hello students, after 15 days of break, we are resuming our classes again. This is a Maths Worksheet 21 and this is a new chapter, chapter 6, Integers. First we start from introduction. There is so many situations where we have to use negative numbers. We use negative numbers to represent temperature. Assume if we go in a hill station and suddenly we see the snowfall. So the snowfall happening when the temperature is very lower, means in a minus degree Celsius. So we say that the temperature in this hill station is minus degree Celsius. C means Celsius. On this number line, I show some temperatures. In the middle, we take 0 degree Celsius. From 0, on the right hand side, we take 10 degree Celsius, 20 degree Celsius and 30 degree Celsius. On the right hand side, we take positive numbers, and the left hand side we take minus 10 degree Celsius, minus 20 degree Celsius and minus 30 degree Celsius, negative numbers. So negative numbers are the numbers with the negative sign. These numbers are less than 0. So number on the left hand side of the 0 are negative numbers, and numbers on right hand side of the 0 are positive numbers. (10°C) is hotter than 0°C and minus 10°C colder than 0°C. The first number to be discovered were natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. If we include 0 to the collection of natural numbers, we get a new collection of numbers which is known as whole numbers. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now we find that there are negative numbers too. If we put the whole numbers and the negative numbers together, the new collection of numbers is known as integers. In this collection, 1, 2, 3 and other numbers are said to be positive integers, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and other numbers are said to be negative integers. If the number having negative symbol, minus symbol before the whole number, so these are negative integers, and if the number having no symbol and positive symbol, so these are called positive integers. Profit and loss. Profit is positive and loss is negative. Plus and minus are opposite. Profit and loss also shows integers. Like a shopkeeper make a profit with a 500 rupees. So we denoted plus 500 rupees. Plus refers to gain, increment, etc. Plus and negative are opposite symbol. If the shopkeeper lost 100 rupees, so we denoted as minus 100 rupees. Minus refers to loss, decrement, etc. Representation of integers on a number line. So we write 0 middle of the number line, and on the right hand side we write 1, 2, 3, 4. These all are number known as positive integers. And on the left hand side we write -1, -2, -3, -4, and these all are called negative integers. Remember one thing here, 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So how you draw a number line? Draw a line and mark some points at equal distance on it, as shown in the above figure. Points to the right of the 0 are positive integers and are marked +1, +2, +3, etc., or simply 1, 2, 3, etc. Points to the left of the 0 are negative integers and are marked -1, -2, -3, etc. Now here I solve example related to representation of integers on a number line. Example, mark -7 on the number line. Solution: to mark -7 we have to move 7 points to the left of the 0. So first we draw a line, and after that we mark the numbers. First we put 0, and left hand side we mark the numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and -7. These are negative integers, and I take here one positive integer +1. So the left hand side of the 0, so these numbers are known as negative integers. On the right hand side the numbers are known as positive integers. So we mark -7 on this number line. This picture shows 4 directions: east, west, north, and south. And these directions having opposite directions. Like opposite of east is west, and opposite of north is south. So if we move north side, so it denoted positive symbol, and if we move opposite of the north, so it denoted negative symbol. So if we move 5 meter to north, so it denoted +5 meter, and if we move opposite of the 5 meter north, so it denoted -5 meter. Now we learn ordering of integers. First we make a line and mark 0 between the number line, and on the left hand side we mark negative integers -1, -2, -3, and -4, and in the right hand side we mark 1, 2, 3, and 4. So these negative integers on the left hand side of the 0 are smaller, and the number right hand side of the 0 are larger. From the above number line we can see that as we go to the right side the numbers are getting larger, and as we move to the left the numbers are getting smaller. Hence any number on the right side on the number line is greater than the number on its left. Like number 2, the the left hand side of the 2 is number 1, and number 1 is smaller than 2, and 3 is greater than 2 because it's right hand side. I solve some example related to number line. Example, 4 is to the right of 2, so 4 is greater than 2. Here 4 is right hand side of 2, so 4 is greater than 2. Another example, minus 3 is to the left of minus 1. Minus 3 is left to the minus 1. So 3 is smaller than 1. Some facts about integers. Any positive integer is always greater than any negative integer. If the number having positive symbol, so is always greater than with negative symbol number. 0 is less than every positive integer. 0 is greater than every negative integer. 0 doesn't come in any of the negative and positive integer because 0 is neither positive nor negative. Here we measure the height of an aeroplane and depth of a submarine. So we use sea level. So aeroplane 4,000 meter above the sea level and submarine 9,000 meter below the sea level. Using integer, we show this detail like that. Sea level denoted 0 and upward direction denoted positive symbol and downward direction denoted negative symbol. So we denoted like that, 4,000 plus 4,000 meter and minus 900 meter. In this exercise, I give some questions related to our discussion. So you will solve all these questions in your homework. Thank you.